Okay, we are live and we are recording. This is great. So, happy Thursday, everybody. This is Amber with the Hormone Hack Effect. I take you on your own personal journey of weight loss using my powerful formula to produce body transformation, which is timed eating plus good fat plus clean protein plus your carbs. Yes, carbs, getting you body transformation. So, my goal is to see you and everyone else lose 1 million pounds and inches through my powerful formula, creating a revolution for you guys to have freedom and victory in your life from the weight loss battle and gain that you've had to deal with for a long time. So, we are full-time RVers. We have been full-time RVers since September of 2018, where we sold everything to get ourselves out of debt, including my crappy student loans that put me in not shambles, but it put me in shackles for about 20 years, and I still had quite a bit to pay on, but we got it all done, everything else paid off, and now we can pursue the things that we love to do, which for me is living out this lifestyle of hacking food, hacking hormones, and getting you body transformation using real food where you live and using this formula, because this formula changes everything and it reverses all the things that you are dealing with, and it doesn't matter how long you've been battling it. It is all about removing the garbage, and when I say the garbage, it's even the healthy food that you think, and then reversing everything to get you guys going where you're on autopilot on your weight loss goals and everything else. So that being said, I put out a recipe today. It is sweet and sour chicken. Now here's how I want you guys to, hey Hannah, thank you Hannah. Here's how I want you guys to see my recipes as I put them out. Now, I don't put out every recipe because I have now, I think we've got 40 plus recipes in the recipe cookbook found in the Hormone Hack lifetime program, which when you become a lifetime member, I update that routinely. And today I added 3 new recipes, and one of them was the sweet and sour chicken. Now, you can find this recipe on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and I believe I've got it on Twitter now too. You can use it. I want you to use it, but here's how it fits into that weight loss formula. I just want to throw a recipe out there and then you guys go, well, okay. So here's the deal. You have to incorporate timed eating. And timed eating is what everybody knows as intermittent fasting. I don't focus on calling it a fast. I call it a timed eating window where we get you down in a ideally at some point fairly quickly and do a 16-hour, 8-hour eating window. So 16 hours of rest and then 8 hours of eating. And we incorporate sleep as part of that resting time. So if we can get you to 8 to 6, 6 is awesome, but 8 ideal. You can absolutely lose weight on this. We get at you in that 8-hour window where you're eating in that window. I follow the formula. So we follow it with ideally good fat, and then we back it up with good clean protein and then carbs. So where does this recipe fall in? For you guys that are in the membership site, you guys know that my recipe is color coded to the implementer. I have color codes to match it up, so if you're not sure when to eat something in the recipe book, it's there and it color codes to the implementer. This falls into 2 and 3 in the program, which means you're going to want to eat this for either depending on what you call your first meal. This is not going to be the first thing that you eat when you break your fast. This is going to be the second thing that you're going to eat, or this is going to be after you eat the good fat, then you're going to eat this. And then if you didn't want it, that's fine. You can have this recipe for your dinner and last meal of the day, because it's got your good clean protein with that chicken, the vegetables that you put in it, and if you're eating in the hormone zone, which means the best veggies that you can eat for natural balance to reverse a lot of the stuff, that stuff is in this recipe. And that's why I leave flexibility in my recipes for you to add the veggies and things that you like. I put in the things that I know are going to be the best for you, but if you don't like mushrooms, you don't have to eat mushrooms. That being said, if you don't like peppers, you don't have to eat peppers. But if you love onion, put a variety of onion in there. If you do love peppers, put in a variety of peppers. You want carrots? Put them in there. I mean, that's how this recipe works. And then, the deal is you eat this and your body doesn't get under a load of stress to try to process it, because when your body gets under stress, which does come from artificial preservatives in our food, then your body will stop It's processes to deal with the stress, and we can't have that. That's why I hack recipes. It's very important for me to teach you how to hack recipes, and especially label reading. So those are primary focuses that I take because they are the two important things that we have to understand that we're set up for failure. But it's not your fault because since I think, what do we have? Over 3,000 additives and preservatives in our foods that the FDA has approved, and many of them are illegal in Europe, but they're allowed in America. So, that being said, that's a stress on your body. It's not natural to your body. And if it's not natural to your body's not going to naturally know how to deal with it. And when your body doesn't know how to naturally deal with something, it shuts down processes to treat it as an enemy to your body. It has to fight it out of your body. We don't want that. We want your body to want to not have to do that, so your body can lose the weight, lose the fat, and reverse your ailments. So that's what I have for you today. That's how that sweet and sour chicken recipe fits into the formula. And that's just one of many examples, and you get the full view of it inside the membership program. So if you're interested in that, go to thehormonehack.com/life. We will be starting our group. I wanted to start it this week, but you guys may not know this, but I'm still a nationally registered EMT. Been an EMT since 2012, 11? I can't remember. So I've been an EMT for a while, but I have to go through a recertification to keep my license, and I want to. So this is where a lot of this comes from. I've been on the line, with people's health issues for 10 years. I see so much of this is preventable through our food, and that's what drives me to do this. So that being said, I'm going to have to wait for the group launch, which I'm going to, because I have to do a 48-hour class next week, and I have to travel for it, so it'll be the week after. But keep a lookout because it is named the Hormone Hack Effect, and if you find it now on my Facebook page, totally fine. I'll put you in, but just know I'm not going to start loading content into it until I can get back and through this class. So anyway, I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and share, and go to my Facebook page on the cover part, and you'll see all my links to my podcast, to my programs, my free stuff, my recipes, that kind of thing. And then I'm going to get it all condensed back down into our group when we finally launch it after next week. So anyway, have a great day, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.